Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Before we start a new lesson in EVS, all of you, watch this video.
And I like summer season because I get to eat tasty ice cream and cold drinks. I love summer because I enjoy going to beaches and building sandcastles and drink different types of juices. I love winter season because it's cold and chilling. I like winter season because it is very cold and I can play with snow. In winter season, we can get nice sleep. Also, in winter season, we can get holidays in the school. Yay! I like winter season. I like to build snowman or snow car. I like to play snowball fight too. And I like to drink hot, yummy cocoa. I like winter season because it is very cold and I enjoy it. Like winter season because it is very cold season. I can wear warm clothes like sweaters and colorful jackets. I also can have hot drinks. I like winter season because I like to wear soft woolen clothes and drink hot tea. I like summer season because I can eat ice cream, cold juice and cold milk and cold water. I like summer season because I can go to the beach and have a lot of fun with sand and water. I like spring season because its weather is very nice, so we are going for picnic. I like summers because in summers I can eat ice cream and go to beach. I like winter season because I play with snowballs.
I mostly like the summer season because we can go to the beach and we can play outdoor game and we can eat ice cream and we can drink juice.
I like summer season. I go to the park. I eat ice cream. I like spring season because it is very colorful, bright and pretty. I feel very happy. Love rainy season because it makes environment cool, green and beautiful. I like to play in the rainy water. Thank you. Good afternoon, teacher. I like rainy season and I play rainy water and I eat samosas and pakole. Thank you, teacher. I like summer season because we get holidays in summer season. I like to eat ice cream in summer season. I love monsoon, the rainy season because I love to play in the rain. I love rainy season because in Saudi Arabia there is no rain. In Mumbai I play with my boat in puddles. The season I like most is rainy season because I like to go outside and play in the rain. I like winter season because it is cold.
Wow, children. Very good. Now, let us proceed with the lesson. Children, by now you have understood what we are going to learn in this lesson. Yes, the learning objectives of the lesson. After reading this lesson, the explanation and all, you will be able to differentiate between weather and seasons. Types of weather and seasons. Then how season affects the kind of clothes we wear or food we eat. Let's get started. Children, all of you open textbook page number 29. Here we have a warm-up exercise. What you have to do in this is, you have to look at the box given and the pictures given on the page. Here you can pause the video, read the question, select the correct word according to the picture, write them down. Then you can resume the video and check for your answer. Children, let us start a lesson now. Here, in this lesson, we are going to study about the weather and the seasons. Sometimes the days are warm and sometimes they are cool or rainy, sunny, windy, cloudy are words related to the weather. Now, let me explain you what is weather actually. The condition of the air that surrounds the earth is called weather. Now, this weather is for the short period of time. Remember it like this. Now, weather changes every day. Okay? Sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's windy. Now, weather affects our lives, food we eat, clothes we wear, and so on. Now, when the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months, that is for long period of time, then that period is called season. Now, you have to remember it like this. Weather is for the short time, seasons are for the long time. Now, next we are going to study about, there are mainly 3 types of seasons: summer, winter, monsoon. In between these seasons, we do have autumn and spring season. The very first season we are going to talk about is the summer season. Summer season is the hottest season. Sun shines brightly during the day. Days are long and nights are short. Then we keep ourselves cool by wearing light cotton clothes. We also keep ourselves cool with fans, coolers, air conditioners, and so on. We enjoy cold drinks and ice creams too. Summer months are March, April, May, and June. The next season we are going to talk about is the winter season. Now, in winter season, it is the coldest season. Days are shorter and nights are longer. It snows in some places in winter season. We keep warm by wearing woolen clothes. Next, we also keep ourselves warm by using room heaters, blowers. People prefer tea, coffee, hot chocolate, soups, and so on to keep themselves warm. Winter months are November, December, and January. Children, next season we are going to talk about is my favorite, your favorite, our favorite, monsoon season. Rainy season is also known as monsoon season. It comes after the summer season. Days are cloudy and cool winds blows along with heavy showers of rain. We use umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots to keep ourselves dry. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky after the rain. Monsoon months are July, August and September. Now there is a fact file here which is saying more about a rainbow. A rainbow is a band of 7 colors which is formed in the sky when sun rays pass through the raindrops after the rain.